Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Killian in Wyoming. And it's Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Killian, we got your purple LED fan upgrade here. This thing's going to run the whole time the radio's on. We'll keep it nice and cool. Also the upgraded fan grill guard kit. Tune alignment, all my power mods. High cut filter right there in the back. Toshiba voltage regulator. This thing's ready to rock and roll. Let's get right to it. Start with RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. Get about 25 watts all the way down. Roll it up. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low audio. At 270 bird average. 1000 watt slug in peak. Hello 1 2. Hello audio. About 750 PEP. Alright Killian, we'll get this out to you, bud. Got your mic wideband modded as well if you decide to use that SRA 198. Be your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.